What's up, guys? Today, going to a Scottsdale car show called No Donuts. Let's roll that intro, and I'll show you guys what today is about. Look who arrived here again. Hopefully he doesn't scream in my ear this time. But he's here. I'm just gonna hit the car with some tire shine really quick, but ooh, buddy. Oh yeah, here's a fault. Oh, bro. It's already starting to peel. The show must go on, gentlemen and ladies. The show must go on. I'll see you guys there at the show, or whenever we meet up. So we stopped and got some coffee, some Dutch Bros. Christian said he's gonna be wired. Woo! Never get this man any candy or sugar. He will scream in your ear. That's why that night he yelled in my ear. You can check that previous video out right over here, where my straw is or my cup is. You see him screaming at the intro. But yeah, so we're gonna have a quick little breakfast here, and then we're gonna head out to our spot, and I'll update you guys once we get there and show you the group. Check us out. This is the group.
What's going on?
You got Jeff here and his super saucy.
Oh, yeah. First thing you have to do is find an open road and just
look at that paint, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Like, paint is solid.
Yeah.
It's breaking my camera saturation levels. And then you have Jordan and then Aubrey, right?
I think
Jordan and Aubrey.
One more guy.
Oh,
Yeah, he drives a Beamer.
And then they've also got this Corolla hatch.
Yeah.
Say what's up to the vlog.
Yeah, I'm hoping.
Yeah. We're gonna wait a little bit and then wait for Mike and get here, and then we'll head out to the meet. So, Mike, damn, bro. I like the gold. That gold.
Yeah, you see it.
Oh, that's a nasty BMW, bro. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Dang. But yeah, guys, this is the group right here. We're gonna head out here soon. You can follow Mike's Instagram right over here. And yeah, so we'll update you guys once we get there, and we'll rock and roll. All right, yo. So we are here at the meet. It is crazy cool. We got an Integra Type R, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around. But Christian's all excited. Andrew. But yeah, guys, all right, I'm gonna show you all around and show you all the cars that's here. Stay tuned. playing around with his iPhone. do you feel like?
Liberated. Absolutely liberated.
This coffee and everything. Ooh, what do you see?
Look at that wide angle.
Can you see that,
Can you
guys?
catch it?
Kind of. It's,
There's how much you would see on your regular phone if you have just a regular dinky old iPhone X. Bam! Look at that. Look at that.
can you all see that? Oh, there you go. There you go.
Can I see it now?
Oh,
Can
yeah.
I see it now?
Look at
Look at
that.
that. That's how much you see on your iPhone.
And that's off of what, Mike?
And then, oh, you can change the degree. Homie, you can change the degree. And that's not even going into optical. That's not even going into digital, homie. That's optical. We into optical life.
This guy's
What's
so
up?
cool. Oh!
For Handheld, Subway,
Oh my gosh.
Ah, cut that out. That's shit.
What?
It's garbage.
Yo, follow this dude. Yo, what's your Instagram? Shout yourself out.
Sugar Tray 3116.
Sugar Tray. Right here. I'll probably get it
Tray.
somewhere. Bro, this thing is so buttery.
Yeah, it's good.
Gosh. BBS's, dog.
Oh my god, there was another white.
Alright, yo, so that's just some of the cars here. The show is almost over, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog here. And met some new people here. Hanging out with this guy, hanging out with these guys right here.
Yeah,
But
this is crazy, bro. Like,
enjoy the vlog. We'll see what else we're gonna do today, but you guys already know. Subscribe on either side here or here. Hit that bell notification and subscribe to get some more stuff that's car related and everything else. Thanks guys, love y'all, thanks for the support. See you guys on the next vlog.